Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for the complete free CMA Inter FMBDA lecture series, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly where all the free FMBDA classes are available on YouTube, how you can access them easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let me quickly explain what inside this PDF. First of all, you find topic wise lectured by CA Nitin Guru. First is ratio analysis. This lecture helps you understand how to interpret financial statement using different ratios and how to solve exam oriented questions. Second is cost of capital. Learn different source of finance, calculation of cost of capital and concept that are frequently tested in exams. Third is capital structure. Cover capital structure theories, EBIT, EPS analysis, and how companies decide the ideal mix of debt and equity. And the fourth one is leverage. Understand operating financial combined leverage with numerical questions. And the fifth one is investment decision. Covers capital budgeting techniques like NPV, IRR, payback period, PI, and more. And the sixth one is working capital management, in which you learn inventory management, receivables, cash management, and estimation of working capital requirements. And the last one is dividend decision. It explains the dividend theories, dividend policies, and their practical application in real life. After these lectures, I have also included question practice playlist where you can solve multiple exam oriented questions, and after completing the concept, this is a perfect for strengthening your preparations. Next, I have added Ranjan Periwal sir topic wise one shot lecture. If you are revising before exam or want a quick recap of every chapter, these one shot videos are extremely helpful. I have also included his playlist so you can easily access all the lecture in one place. Finally, I have included Gourav Kabra sir's BDA theory lecture. Since BDA has a theoretical portion that many students find confusing, these lectures explain the concept in a simple and easy to understand manner. So instead of spending hours searching YouTube, just open this PDF, click on the link, and start studying. You can download the PDF from my Telegram channel, and I have also included the marathon lecture of Ranjan Periwal sir. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your CMA friend. All the best for your FMBTA preparation. Thank you.